Hi, crafty people. In this video, we're going to be talking about abbreviation PC or POP, pop, which stands for popcorn. A popcorn is a cluster stitch, and there is a specific difference between popcorn and a bobble that we're going to get into. It can be made with any kind of stitch. What makes a popcorn is the final step. So let's get into it. I've got this pattern of baubles, as you can see, very textured, circular round stitch. So in this example here, in this pattern, I single crochet into a stitch, I chain 3, and then I make the popcorn stitch. And it calls for a 5 DC, 5 double crochet popcorn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's count that. This is my chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To complete the popcorn stitch, you need to take this hook out from the loop. To remember, sometimes the loop might get twisted. To remember which way it goes is the working yarn should not be at the back. If you can tell, it's pulling from the back. The working yarn should be in the front. So if you can tell, it's in the front. So carefully take your hook out and put it into the stitch, the first stitch of the popcorn cluster. Put that loop back on your hook with the yarn coming into the front here. And slip that chain through that first stitch, and that's your popcorn stitch. So let's do that again. I'm gonna single crochet into the space indicated by the pattern, chain 3, and do the popcorn again, and it is a 5 double crochet popcorn. So 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I'll carefully, I like to pull the loop a little longer so I don't lose it. Put the hook into that first stitch of your popcorn cluster. Put that chain back onto the hook and slip it through that first stitch. And that is how you make a popcorn stitch, PC or POP, popcorn.